Join me as I dive into the stock market and try to predict if Meta stock is about to explode. Meta stock has been a hot topic in the investment community lately. With its dominant position in social media and its ambitious plans for the metaverse, many investors are wondering if the stock is poised for a major breakout. As one of the largest and most influential companies in the tech industry, Meta's performance can have a significant impact on the overall market. Meta is facing some tough challenges. The social media landscape is becoming increasingly competitive, with new platforms emerging and grabbing users' attention. Regulatory scrutiny is also on the rise, with governments around the world looking to rein in the power of big tech companies. And then there are market trends to consider, such as the shift towards more private and ephemeral online interactions. These challenges are significant, and investors are eagerly watching to see how Meta will respond. The company has been investing heavily in its metaverse vision, but some critics argue that it's not enough to stay ahead of the competition. The recent changes in the online advertising landscape have also affected Meta's revenue, and some investors are worried about the company's ability to adapt. Furthermore, the ongoing regulatory scrutiny could lead to changes in the way Meta operates, which might impact its bottom line. Additionally, the company's focus on e-commerce and online shopping features might not be paying off as expected. So, what's driving Meta's stock price? Recent news has been mixed, with some analysts upgrading their targets and others downgrading. The company's latest financial report showed strong revenue growth, but also highlighted some weaknesses in certain areas. Expert opinions are divided, with some seeing a huge potential for growth and others warning of significant risks. Some point to the company's innovative approach and strong leadership, while others cite concerns about its ability to execute. One thing that's particularly interesting is the way Meta's stock has been trending lately. We've seen a significant increase in bullish sentiment among investors, with many expecting a major breakout in the near future. Some technical analysts are pointing to chart patterns that suggest a potential surge in price. And if you're looking at the fundamentals, there are some compelling arguments to be made for a significant increase in value. To understand why Meta stock might be on the verge of a significant change, let's look at its recent innovations. The company has been making significant strides in AI and machine learning, which could give it a major edge in the tech industry. Additionally, its focus on virtual and augmented reality could pay off in the long run, especially as these technologies become more mainstream. Moreover, Meta's efforts to improve its e-commerce features and online shopping experiences might just be the catalyst it needs to drive growth. Recapping the main points, we've discussed the challenges facing Meta, including competition and regulatory scrutiny. We've also looked at the factors that could influence the stock price, from recent news and financial reports to expert opinions. And we've highlighted some compelling arguments that suggest Meta stock might be on the verge of a significant change. What do you think about Meta stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock market insights and analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.